Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Hello, everyone. We will do questions, some examples, some questions based upon the rules of the interest on drawing. I have earlier told that unequal amount is withdrawn or with unequal gap between two consecutive drawings. This is, you can see that amount is unequal of drawings. Then first drawing is made 1st April, then second drawing is made 1st May, then third drawing is made 1st August. Difference between first and second drawing 1 month. Then between second and third drawing July and August, May and June and July 3 months. Then August and October, 1st August to 1st September, October, then 2 months. Then gap are unequal and amounts are also unequal. When the then different dates you made the drawings of 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times in a year, and different amounts and different gaps, then we use to calculate interest on drawing the method which is product method. I have told about the product method in 2 days before. Product method. How can use the product method? For this, we will make a table. First column, date of drawing. Then second column, amount which you withdrawn. Then third column, period. Then fourth column, product. Okay. Date of drawing which is given in this question. 1st April, then 1st May, then August, then October, and then 1st Jan. Amount given in question 421, 4,000, 2,000, 1,000, 500 and 3,000. Clear? This is the part of the questions. Now third column is a period. What is period? How can we calculate the period? Period, which is the time from the date of drawing to the year end. To the year end. आपको हमेशा क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ रहेगा कि किस साल के लिए, किस ईयर के लिए आपको इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है. देन ड्राइंग, फर्स्ट ड्राइंग जो है, फर्स्ट ड्राइंग विच इज़ मेड ऑन 1st April, then year end on 31st March 2019. Then 31st March, then period is for first drawing 1st April to 31st March. How many months? 12 months. Then we will write 12 months. Clear? Then second, 1st May, again 1st May to 31st March. Total आपके 11 months. Then 1st August. 1st August to 31st March, it is 8 months. Then 1st October. 1st October to 31st March, 6 months. Then 1st Jan to 31st March, 3 months. This is period. Fourth column is product. Product, it means amount multiplied by period. 12, 4,000 से 48,000. Next 22,000, 11 into 2. Then 1,000 multiplied by 8, 8,000. Then 500 multiplied by 6, 3,000. Then 3,000 multiplied by 3, 9,000. Clear? Then we will write total of the product, either sum of the product. Then sum of the product सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आपकी टोटल, इसकी जो टोटल ये जो कॉलम है इसका हम क्या करेंगे, टोटल 68 and 70, 70 and 8, 78 and 81, then 90. Okay, then we will use formula. Interest on drawing is equals to 90,000 multiplied by rate of interest. पहले हम first we will write formula. Total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. Total of product how much? 90. 90 into rate of interest is given in the question 10%. Then 10 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. कैलकुलेशन हम करेंगे. इज इक्वल टू 750 रुपीज़. तो हमारा जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग है वो है हमारा 750 रुपीज़. दिस इज़ द आंसर ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? दिस इज़ द प्रोडक्ट मैथड. ओके, देन we will the next question. That was the unequal amount at unequal gap, and in this question we will do then same amount. Calculate interest on drawing when the drawings are made. 2000 rupees per month, first day of every month for 12 months. It means amount आपका 2000 which is drawn every month for 12 months, and every month 2000 rupees. Then in this amount are same every month 2000, 2000, 2000, and gap are also same 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. Then we will use this formula. First, interest on drawing is equals to total amount into rate of interest upon 100 into average period upon 12. Okay, I have told earlier about the average period in every condition. Then still I have repeat you average period. What is average period? In the month, first day of every month. It means beginning of the every month. When beginning of the every month, then average period n plus 1 upon 2, and total months कितने? 12 months. Then 12 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6.5. Formula, total amount how much? 2000 for every month. Then total amount is equal to 24,000 12 months के लिए. Then first interest 24,000 into rate of interest deemed 5%. 5 upon 100 into average period is 6.5. 6.5 upon 12. ₹650 interest when to same amount beginning of the every month. Next आपकी condition है middle of the every month. Then second, middle of the every month. Middle में average period n upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 2 is equal to 6 month. Then total amount 3000 into 12 is equals to 36,000. 36,000 into 5 upon 100 rate of interest into 6 by 12 is equal to 900. Answer. Clear? Then third condition, 4,000 rupees last day of every month. Okay, then 4,000 total amount कितना हो गया? 12 into 4,000 is equal to 48,000 into rate of interest 5 upon 100 into average period. What is the average period? N minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. 11 upon 2, 5.5 upon 12. ये आपको लर्न करने पड़ेंगे, याद रखने पड़ेंगे कि जब हम मंथली ड्राइंग करते हैं तब स्टार्टिंग में इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एवरी मंथ दैन वी विल टेक एवरेज मंथ फॉर 6.5, मिडिल ऑफ द एवरी मंथ व्हेन वी विल टेक 6 मंथ, दैन एंड ऑफ द मंथ वी विल टेक 5.5 month. $1,100. Interest on drawing is complete. This question of the drawing interest on drawing when equal amount in monthly drawing and equal amount is withdrawn. Clear? We will do the next illustration in next video. Okay, thank you.